everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be using 4 of these wreath frames from Dollar Tree to create our gift box. And I'll also be using some of these twist ties from Dollar Tree as well. So let's get started. As you can see, we have this curved part of our wreath, and I'll be putting that on the inside of the box, okay? I'm just going to put these together. I want this hard part to be on the inside. Pull them as tight as you possibly can. Do the same thing again. Okay, so now we have this, and we're going to take our final one and put it there. Okay, so now I'm going to take this side and turn it in this way and pull it as tight as I possibly can. Same thing with this one. Okay, so now I'm going to take another twist tie and put it right in the center and attach them here, but we are not going to pull this too tight. Okay? Just like that. You want to make it square. Tighten that a little bit more. This one is tight. Let's tighten this some more. Okay, now let's tighten this piece some more. So you want to tighten it until you get your square. Still a little bit jiggly here. Okay, so that's pretty good. I think I'm going to secure it some more on each corner. I found some smaller twist ties, some pink ones, and secured it more here, so now it's a whole lot more sturdier. So yeah, go ahead and do that. Again, just cut off the excess. Alright, now I'll go outside, spray paint it silver, and then come back. Let's go ahead and build box number 2. For number 2, you're going to need 2 of these Dollar Tree drying racks. If you've seen my previous box, you already know how it goes. So what I'm going to do is make sure that these little points are upward, and then I'm just going to bend this right in the center. This one I did ahead of time, and I do need to use my pliers to help straighten this out some. So what you want to do is use your twist ties to put these together as well. But I'm going to go ahead and remove these tags. This time around I'll use the small pink twist ties. And I'm going to put one right in the center on both sides. So now you have your choice of 2 separate boxes, okay? Okay guys, so I went ahead and put a little bit of silver spray paint on my pink twist ties. So now I'm going to put some string lights on my box. You can use regular Christmas lights. I'll use a small set, maybe a set of 50 or 2 sets of 20s or something like that. I'm going to use string lights, and I'm going to use 2 sets. Turn the lights on, it seems to help. So I want to try and figure out which side I want to be the back. And what I'm going to do is start here. Alright. So now I'm going to pull it straight up. So I'm going to go here to the corner, wrap it Then go here to the corner. Again, this is the back. So now I'm done adding the lights to my box. So I'm going to go ahead and turn them off. The next thing I'm going to do is wrap my box. What I want to do now is cover this. I found this fur at Hobby Lobby and it was on sale for 50% off. And I'm going to cover this box with the fur. Yeah, I'm going to start here and go all the way across to here. And hopefully we have enough. So I have my glue gun and I'm just going to put some glue right across here. Alright, so what you want to do is pull this tight. Okay, just like that. And now I'll do this side and then come back. Okay guys, so my battery is about to die, so I need to hurry. So I'm just going to put a piece here and then a piece here on each side. Okay guys, so I'm done covering my entire box. Everything except the bottom. Now, one thing you can do, and I failed to mention this earlier, you don't have to add string lights if you don't want that look. You can actually light the box up with a different light, and I'll show you guys that later. But right now I want to go ahead and decorate it. I picked up this ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and right now they are having a 50% off sale on all Christmas decor, and this was $7.99, so that meant it was only $4. So what I'm going to do is just put this right across the center in both directions, and I'm going to hot glue it in place. I'm going to put some hot glue right on here. I'm going to cut off more than I actually need, and now hot glue this down. And now I'll come over here and do the same exact thing. So now I'm going to take this and figure out how big I want my bow to be. Alright, and now I'm just going to glue this down. And this is what we have so far. Okay, let me grab some other decorations to finish this off. Okay guys, so I'm back with some ideas on what I can use. I found these at Walmart. I don't know if I need both, but I think that'd be really pretty on there. I found this huge gold bell at Dollar Tree, and I've already sprayed it with hairspray so the glitter doesn't keep coming off. And I found this at Walmart as well. I definitely want to use this. I like the idea of this one. So let's go with this one and these. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut part of this off. Okay guys, so now I'm done. I'll go ahead and turn the lights off, kind of fluff up my bow a little bit, and let you guys see what it looks like on display. Okay guys, so back to this box. This is what it looks like, all spray painted silver. And these are the lights that I'm going to use. I found these at Hobby Lobby, and again, they were on sale. And you can also find lights at Dollar Tree. Here's 100 mini lights. I'll use one bundle on half of this box, and then the second bundle on the other half of the box. I'm gonna put that in there, and we're gonna start on this side. Here's a plug. It's gonna stay on the inside, of course. Okay guys, so this is what I have so far. You're gonna have to manipulate your lights whenever you put the covering over, but I'm not going over this or under here. I'm just going across. I did use a twist tie here and here to help hold this in place. This is a little time consuming because you do have to keep going in and out, in and out, in and out. So I'm gonna go in under here. So put on some good music, get on the phone, just do something that you really enjoy while you're putting this together. Put on some Christmas music. But yeah, just keep doing that all the way around. So I'm going to do that off camera to some music. Then I'll come back and then we'll move on to the next step. So the plug and the extension will be on the inside. I'm going to open up my ribbon wrap and start putting it on my frame. I'm going to go ahead and heat up my glue gun and then come back. Here's a silver roll that I'm going to use. So I'm going to start on the bottom, just like so. Take some hot glue, put it right on top, about halfway across. And then I'm going to put this right on top of the glue. And then I'll put some on this side. And now I'm going to put some right across here, about halfway. And now we have this. Now because it doesn't go all the way across, I really don't want it to overlap that much. I'm going to cut this other part off. Just like so. And if it overlaps a little, that's okay because we are going to put a ribbon around this later. Again, this is going to take a little time, but I want to do it right. I'll come back in again on this side. Sorry, I thought I was recording. I just went ahead and put the glue down here. It's slightly overlapping here. And now I'm just going to cut this excess off the sides. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to add a little bit of glue right here. And again, I'm going to put ribbon over this so it won't be seen. So I'm going to do this to all 4 sides. Then I'll come back and do it a second time. Once I do that, I'll move on to the next part. Now I'll trim my entire box with this bling. But first, I'll need to cut it in half. Now I'll add the trim to my box with hot glue. Off camera, I'll hot glue these two pieces on, and then I'll come back and reveal my new gift box. As promised, here's gift box number 1. And as you can see, I did add more ribbon to the box, and I think that's all that it needed. And I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. And I think it would be equally as beautiful in white and silver as well. As long as you can find the white fur, you can use black ribbon, blue, red, green, whatever color you like. Comment your color choices below. I'm really curious to see which color gets the most votes. Again, as promised, here's gift box number 2. And this box is really big. It's a big, beautiful gift box. Now, as for this box, it's not completely done. And that's because I want to add more decorations to the top of my gift box. And the decorations that I have in mind, I don't currently have on hand, but I will have it completed in the next couple of days. And I promise to share the final look with you on my community board and in the next DIY. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays!